Question 1. After getting a new motorcycle, what should you check or do while seated on the bike before starting the engine? A. Adjust the mirrors. B. Find the best position to sit. C. Practice changing gears by shifting up and down through the gears. D. All of these. The answer is C. Practice changing gears by shifting up and down through the gears. Question 2. How long should you wear a new helmet to determine if it fits properly? A. 45 minutes. B. 2 minutes. C. 5 to 10 minutes. D. 30 minutes. The answer is C. 5 to 10 minutes. Question 3. How many types of approved helmets are there? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 1. The answer is A. 3. Question 4. What is the recommended type of helmet to use? A. Bucket. B. Open face. C. Shorty helmets. D. Full face. The answer is D. Full face. Question 5. What kind of eye protection is necessary if your helmet does not have a full face shield? A. Regular glasses. B. Sunglasses. C. Goggles. D. All of these. The answer is C. Goggles. Question 6. What steps should you take before every ride? A. Call ahead. B. Plan your route. C. Ensure you have all of your riding gear. D. Do a complete inspection of your motorcycle. The answer is D. Do a complete inspection of your motorcycle. Question 7. What should a good quality riding rain suit avoid doing at highway speeds? A. Become tighter. B. Balloon or tear. C. Loosen and fall off. D. All of these. The answer is B. Balloon or tear. Question 8. The effects of hyperthermia and dehydration may be more severe if you ride in what conditions or situations? A. Without a jacket. B. At high noon. C. Without a full face helmet. D. All of these. The answer is A. Without a jacket. Question 9. Is it necessary to replace a helmet after it has been in a collision? A. Yes. B. No. C. You may need to replace a strap. D. You may only need to clean it up. The answer is A. Yes. Question 10. Why are denim jackets and pants considered inadequate for proper riding clothing? A. They are not warm enough. B. They cause the body to overheat. C. They will wear through quickly when a rider is skidding on a road surface. D. All of these. The answer is C. They will wear through quickly when a rider is. Question 11. If you encounter problems during your inspection that you can't fix, what should you do before riding? A. Avoid highway riding. B. Ride in less busy areas. C. Limit your riding for the day. D. Seek the assistance of a professional mechanic. The answer is D. Seek the assistance of a professional mechanic. Question 12. What is the primary cause of hypothermia in riders? A. Riding in winter. B. Falling into a lake. C. Constant exposure to wind. D. All of these. The answer is C. Constant exposure to wind. Question 13. Why is it crucial to wear clothing specifically designed for motorcycle riding? A. It provides protection from flying debris. B. It provides protection from the weather. C. It provides the best protection against scrapes and cuts in a collision as well as contact with the ground or road surface. D. All of these. The answer is D. All of these. Question 14. What is a valuable resource for comprehensive information on motorcycle inspections? A. Your owner's manual. B. Your supervisor. C. The registry's office. D. All of these. The answer is A. Your owner's manual. Question 15. Should both the foot and handbrake controls trigger the brake light? A. Yes. B. No. C. Just the foot brake. D. Just the handbrake. The answer is A. Yes. Question 16. What is the process for checking the brakes? A. Check that the brake dashboard light comes on when applying the brake. B. Check that each one keeps the motorcycle stopped when you apply the brake fully. C. Ensure that the bike will only move slightly with the brakes applied. D. Ensure that you need both front and rear brakes applied to fully stop the bike. The answer is B. Check that each one keeps the motorcycle stopped when you apply the brake fully. Question 17. Check each tire for adequate tread depth and also look for what? A. Bulges. B. Uneven or worn tread. C. Discoloration. D. All of these. The answer is B. Uneven or worn tread. Question 18. What color is the neutral gear indicator light? A. Green. B. Blue. C. Red. D. Yellow. The answer is A. Green. Question 19. How do you determine the correct riding position? A. Your arms should be as straight as possible when holding the hand grips. B. So that your arms are slightly bent and not tense when you hold the hand grips. C. Our fingertips should be able to reach beyond the hand grips to allow for enough arm movement. D. Your arms should be at a 45-degree angle when holding the hand grips. The answer is B. So that your arms are slightly bent and not tense when you hold the hand grips. Question 20. Where should you position your feet while riding a motorcycle? A. On the foot pegs. B. The left foot should be below the gear shift. C. Our right foot should hover over the foot brake. D. Wherever you find to be the most comfortable. The answer is A. On the foot pegs. Question 21. Why is it important to start with your right wrist positioned with a slight bend downward and no higher than flat? A. It is more relaxing in that position. B. It will prevent your hand from slipping off the grip. C. Will prevent you from using too much throttle. D. All of these. The answer is C. Will prevent you from using too much throttle. Question 22. Just before stopping, why do you need to squeeze the clutch lever? A. To apply the brakes. B. To change gears. C. To prevent the motorcycle from stalling. D. To allow you to rev the engine while stopped. The answer is C. To prevent the motorcycle from stalling. Question 23. What steps should you take to ensure that the instrument lights are functioning correctly? A. Inserting the key. B. Starting the engine. C. You have to flip the switch. D. Turning the key to the on position. The answer is D. Turning the key to the on position. Question 24. What signs might indicate an alignment problem? A. A bumpy ride. B. Bent spokes. C. Worn or uneven tread. D. The bike leans to one side. The answer is C. Worn or uneven tread. Question 25. What should you observe about the throttle's response when checking it? A. It should remain open until you close it. B. It should return to the closed position easily with assistance. C. It should return to the closed position easily without assistance. D. None of these. The answer is C. It should return to the closed position easily without assistance. Question 26. A smooth shift to the next gear is the result of what? A. Years of practice. B. Fully releasing the clutch. C. Maintaining steady throttle. D. Coordinating the clutch lever release with a small amount of throttle. The answer is D. Coordinating the clutch lever release with a small amount of throttle. Question 27. When properly adjusted, a mirror will show what? A. None of your body. B. As much of the road as possible. C. The lanes next to you or shoulder. D. The edge of your arm or shoulder. The answer is D. The edge of your arm or shoulder. Question 28. Why is it beneficial to press your knees lightly against the motorcycle? A. To reduce on wind resistance. B. To make the motorcycle more aerodynamic. C. To help you keep your balance when the motorcycle is moving. D. All of above. The answer is C. To help you keep your balance when the motorcycle is moving. Question 29. What does the term friction zone refer to? When the clutch is disengaged. B. When the tires begin to move. C. When the brakes begin to slow the motorcycle down. D. When the connection will begin to engage again while releasing the clutch. The answer is D. When the connection will begin to engage again while releasing the clutch. Question 30. What might occur if you downshift when the motorcycle is traveling too fast for the current gear? A. Nothing. B. The front wheel locks. C. The rear wheel locks. D. The rear wheel may skid. The answer is D. The rear wheel may skid.